Sunday evening, everyone. Hope you had a wonderful weekend. We're going to start our fall colors tonight, and we're going to try. I had a request from one of my wonderful followers, a wonderful woman that I just adore. God, there's so many of you guys that I just adore, you're so supportive and caring, and you give me so much strength. And so she would like me to do a chameleon piece like they do with acrylics using the comb and Chroma Chaos. So we're going to try that tonight. But before we do, I got to show you something because I just think it's so cute. Funny, cute. I bought this dress online. It was short. It was really cute, okay? This one. But it was short. I thought. In the picture, it just came to just below the woman's knees, okay? So I bought it for the summer because I thought it would be comfy. Okay, so here we go. Are you ready for this? Can you see that? All the way down to my feet. Because I am only 5 feet now. Used to be 5'2", but I've lost 2 inches somewhere. And obviously, the girl in the picture must have been like 6'10", because no, not the same. So my husband and my neighbor tease me. They call, and here I am aging myself, they call me Mrs. Roper. Do you guys remember Mrs. Roper? Well, this dress reminds them of Mrs. Roper. But I'll tell you something, it is so friggin' comfortable, and it's been so hot, not complaining, but so hot that just, light and breezy. Okay, so you guys can just call me Mrs. Roper, okay? Okay, so the colors we're going to use tonight are the Yukon Fireweed, the Fields of Gold. Oh, and I just saw a hunk in there of, because I had to use one of my silicone cups. I haven't cleaned them all out, and this one must be losing a hunk, but I'll get it. We're also using Double Double, which is a gorgeous, gorgeous brown for the fall. And we are going to use Resin Creme Brulee, which I do not have. They no longer have creme brulee, but I still had it, so I'm going to use it because it's a gorgeous, rusty, God, I couldn't even, almost a coppery color. So we're going to use that. My colors that I'm testing for the fall colors haven't come in yet, but when they do, we will get them in a hurry so we can all do fall. And I'm going to swipe it with Artie Sue's Langridge Royal Gold. Okay? Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to do the lines. And I think, because I'm going to have the gold there, I think I'm going to go just like this in my lines. I'm going to start with the red, and I think I'll do 3 lines of the red. Then we're going to use the creme brulee. Then we are going to use Fields of Gold. And then we're going to use Double Double. Okay, so let's move these over here for now, and we will get the gold. This is, again, Langridge Royal Gold. And I'm going to pour a lot at the top because it's going to be the swipe. And I think I'll put some in this line here of the double-double. I see that piece. Okay, so now I'm going to swipe with my piece of plastic. Oh dear, guess what? I went the wrong way because I don't want to. So we will swipe from up here. It's a good thing I saved that gold. Move my timmies that my wonderful husband got me. And let's do this. Okay, now we're going to add a bit of heat, but I don't want to do too much because I don't want too many cells before I try this. Okay, so we've got Chroma Chaos on here, and I'm going to put a bit more just to make sure. Yes, I took the little squeezy off for this. I'm going to dip the teeth in the Chroma Chaos. Chroma Chaos. And we're going to, let's start down at the bottom. I'm going to leave some space in between. I don't want them too close together. And this is already happening. I know you guys can see this. God, I love the Chroma Chaos. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit more because I'd like to do it this way. Try it that way too. Now my lid won't come off. There we go. Okay, let's try going this way. Look at that great big one. I don't want to affect it, so I'm going to go beside it. Wow. We are definitely getting cells, guys. Definitely. So, Darlene, I have a wonderful customer, Darlene, who is having a lot of trouble getting cells with the Chroma Chaos. And we have discussed everything, and she's thinking it's her. It's not her. She is using a resin that she's never ever used before. It's not one, guys, that that you guys use, that any of us use. And I have a feeling it has something to do with that, because come on, look at this. Look at the cells that we are getting right here, right now, with Chroma Chaos. You know, you've seen a couple of my other customers have posted the cells that they get from Chroma Chaos. It does itself, guys. Look at this. Damn. Great big piece of dried resin. Well, that's okay. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm going to bring you down, and I'm going to have a Timmy sip. Cheers, because honest to God, this is friggin' awesome. I'm going to bring you down, but I'm also going to bring you down from another angle, because that's something else one of my wonderful followers told me, to maybe bring you down this way from behind so you don't get as much glare. And since I can't see what I'm showing you, I'm hoping she's right. But we won't know, I won't know, until this is up. But seriously, guys, look at that cell action. This is just friggin' awesome. Wow. So Melissa, my dear, and Mariette mentioned this too, but Melissa was the one who told me the other day to try this. Thank you, sweetheart. It was a wonderful idea, and it is just working out fabulously, except for, there we go. What a wonderful idea. And I'll do this again on something else, but on this fall cutting board, that is just amazing. So anyway, guys, thank you. Mrs. Roper thanks you for joining us, and I really appreciate it. So keep coming up with the good ideas, guys, and I'll keep doing the experiments for you. Have a great, great evening. Bye, guys.